Okay, you guys, so we decided to bring the kids to the Burleson Splash Pad, and it's a nice day to do it. I'm just gonna show y'all what this looks like and what my kids are doing, and my husband and everybody. And yeah, Nehemiah's doing so good today. He's not trying to run out the gate, so that's like a blessing because he's an eloper. I think he's kind of growing out of it, so we'll see, you know, how this continues to go. But he's not interested in running away. He's staying in the water, he's staying in the gate, and it's like amazing. So here it is. Nathaniel, you just gonna stay over here, huh? So this is the Burleson Splash Pad. I think I showed y'all the small one that we went to. This is the big one. And my kids love this one. It's so big. There's like water that drops from there. And there's water that drops from there. There's Mia, Corey, the girls. They love this little thing. I'm gonna get it on video. Buddy, enjoying the little area over here, but he's running around waiting on the big water spout to come down. Nathaniel. Are you playing with water? Maya is just waiting patiently for this water tower to spill. Hey, buddy. What's up, man? Where you going? No, you're not playing over here trying to play on my phone and he missed it. He had to hurry up and run over there. That's so funny. There's Naomi. Oh. Nia! Nathaniel, do you want to go play in the water? Do you want to go play in the water, Bubba? You don't? You all done? Okay. Oh, is Nehemiah waiting? Oh, shoot. He's going to get under this one. He did it! Good job, buddy! Mr. Corey never meets a stranger. Always chatting it up. I wish I was like that. Hey, yeah. There's Buddy, there's the other three over there waiting for that one. I'm in the shade chilling with Bubba, so he's done with the water, and it's hot out here for my present self, so I'll go out there for a little bit, but it's cold. But let me see if I can catch this on all four of them. Oh, now they're coming back over here. So I think little dude is done. Are you all done, Bubba? Yeah, Decory took him in the little thing that spills the water out, and he was done after that. So, are you all done? Done. Are you all done? Done. Okay. Naomi, are you having fun?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite part of the splash pad? The monkey thing?
Yeah.
You like that? It's about to come down.
I always love that part.
You love that part? Nia, are you having fun at the splash pad?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite part?
The monkey and
Isn't that right there?
What?
They call this a monkey. I don't know how they got a monkey from that. But, yeah. Nehemiah over there. Nathaniel.